cannot have food. Hey, Penny. No more food. No more. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. Penny. It's bedtime. No more food. No more food. Get out of the cabinet. Hey. Really? Get out of the food cabinet. Get out of there. That's my food. Hey. This is why there's a child lock, and I have to child lock it when... Yeah. When you're here. That's why I have to make sure it gets locked. No more food. It's bedtime. Time to go to sleep. Not time to eat. Oh, excuse you. Excuse you. Yeah. I should say so.